Let's compare Chinese Napa versus Taiwan Napa. The deeps the package said made in China. The shallows said made in Taiwan. Print looks identical. Notice the deeps do not come oiled. The shallows did. They both got the rounded edges, so those look the same in the there. These are 219s. So you got the material and the size stamped, the size, part number, and brand printed, and on this one everything's printed. They decided to save some money on the stamping. Chinese in the middle, Taiwan on the edges.